The last day of the 10-day joint session of the Karnataka legislature ended in complete chaos, noise and political confrontation as both the ruling party and the opposition crossed the limits of parliamentary decorum. What was supposed to be the closing day of the session turned into a scene of shouting, disruption and serious allegations forced the leadership to take strict action. BJP leader C.T. Ravi was suspended from the Legislative Council for making objectionable and controversial remarks, adding to the political storm. Uncivil conduct and unparliamentary language dominated both houses, the assembly as well as the council, marking one of the most turbulent endings to a legislative session in recent times. The situation worsened during the debate on a resolution condemning the alleged repeal of Manrega by the centre. As Congress MLA Shivalinga Gowda stood up to speak, BJP members interrupted him aggressively. The heated atmosphere led to shouting and disorder inside the house. In the middle of the confrontation, Gowda lost his temper and made a remark that shocked the assembly, saying BJP MLAs were behaving like monkeys and dogs. The statement immediately triggered outrage. BJP members strongly objected, calling the language abusive and unparliamentary and demanded an apology. Despite the chaos, the Congress government went ahead and passed the resolution condemning the appeal of Manrega. The tension did not stop there. Shivalinga Gowda went further and accused BJP MLA Shah Ranu Salagar of lacking moral integrity and made allegation of financial wrongdoing involving Salagar's wife, who is a government officer. These accusations led to fresh protests, shouting and disruption in the house. BJP leaders demanded that Gowda apologize for his words. However, Gowda refused to apologize, saying his remarks were made in anger and emotional distress. BJP MLA V. Sunil Kumar described Gowda as a habitual offender and warned that such language would damage the dignity of the assembly. At the same time, chaos also unfolded in the Legislative Council. BJP leader C.T. Ravi was accused of making a Pakistani remark against Congress MLC Nasir Ahmed, which further escalated tensions. The controversy was triggered after BJP members demanded an apology from Nasir Ahmed over his statements against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Amid the disorder, the ruling party moved for disciplinary action. Council Chairman Basavaraj suspended C.T. Ravi for his remarks, calling them unacceptable and damaging to the dignity of the House. Government Chief Salim Ahmed stated that this was not the first time Ravi had acted in such a manner and justified the suspension. All this chaos happened against the backdrop of an ongoing political protest where opposition MLAs had staged a day and night dharna inside the legislature demanding the resignation of the excise minister R.B. Timapur over an alleged 6,000 crore rupee scam. This protest atmosphere added fuel to an already tensed political environment. The final day of the Karnataka legislature's joint session, instead of ending with dialogue and dignity, ended in disorder, suspensions, accusations and breakdown of decorum, raising serious questions about political conduct, parliamentary ethics and the future of healthy democratic debate in the state.